Romo mar ndalo adek mar somo e kaunti ma Homa Bay ochopo e giko mare, kama jokanyo e sekta mar somo omedo jiwo sirikal kokalo e migawo mar somo mondo obed ka chwalo omenda ne skunde e wang' sam mondo chenro mag skunde kik bed kod ng'ikruok. Romo ma osebedo ka dhi nyime e skunde yawuoyi ma Homa Bay ne obag gi bod mochung' ne chenro mag somo e kaunti ma Homa Bay mar manyo kaka inyalo med ting'o malo rang'iny mar somo e kaunti no. Director e apis mar jatend migawo mar somo Laktar Gishugi Ndegwa osingo ne jopuonj sirikal oseketo okenge makare mag neno ni skunde yudo omenda gi kaka owinjore.
The social culture, this comes either when maybe we are in the school areas. First you came from
matters to do with access to education, which is very critical because it is a provision in our constitution that education is free and compulsory for all Kenyans. And to this end, as I explained in this forum, the government has policies on free primary education and free day secondary education. In terms of capitation, the government has continued providing the capitation. However, there are resource constraints, and that is why we are not able to give the exact amount that is stipulated.
Just as was discussed during the forum, I think it was unanimously agreed by the teachers that there is need for us to practice integrity and professionalism in the administration of examinations and assessment, especially as we transition to grade 10. It's very important that we start on a good footings so that our schools understand that the competencies are built during the school-based assessment and the classroom assessment.
We find this is giving us great room to address our challenges and be able to learn from the good practices. So I really appreciate the support that we are getting from all stakeholders, of course, including the